Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to schedule a meeting in Outlook. First, open Outlook on your PC. Once Outlook is open, look for the Home tab at the top of the screen and click on it. Within the Home section, you will see a button labeled New Items. Click on it to see a drop-down menu of options. From the drop-down menu, choose the option labeled Meeting. This will open a new window where you can create a meeting invitation. In the meeting window, you will see a section labeled To. Here you can type in the email addresses of the people you want to invite to the meeting. Below the To section, you will find fields where you can enter additional details, such as the subject of the meeting, location, start time, and end time. You can also check the box if the meeting will last all day. If you want to have a virtual meeting via Skype, there will be an option to set this up within the meeting window. Once you have filled in all the necessary details, click on the Send button. If you receive an email invitation to a meeting, open the email in your inbox. Near the top of the email, you will see several options, including Meeting. Click on this option. Clicking on Meeting will open a new window with some of the meeting details already filled in. You will need to fill in any remaining details, such as the meeting time, location, and any additional participants. Once you have filled in all the necessary details, click on the Send button to confirm and send your response to the meeting invitation. These are the two ways you can schedule a meeting in Outlook. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.